Welcome to this video learning session. When you complete the session, you will be able to construct a context diagram. In this session, you'll learn about context diagrams and why they are important, how to construct a context diagram, and how you can use a case tool to create a context diagram. Whether you want to construct a building or develop an information system, you need clear specifications and a set of blueprints. A context diagram shows an information system's overall design and is the first step in creating a set of DFDs, which are like the blueprints for building the system. In a previous learning session, you worked with various DFD symbols, such as processes, data stores, entities, and data flows. Now you're ready to create your own context diagram. To do this, you'll need to place the DFD symbols and connect them properly. Like this graphic, a context diagram shows a system's boundaries, scope, and external entities. Let's look at a typical context diagram. This one is from the textbook. It shows a simple grading system. First, let's identify each element in the diagram. Then, we'll show how to build the same diagram from scratch. A process symbol is at the center of the diagram. Every process gets an ID number. This is called process 0 because it represents the entire grading system. Next are the entities that interact with the grading system. They are student, instructor, and the student record system. Notice that input and output data flows connect each entity to the grading system process. Let's identify each data flow. The student inputs submitted work and receives graded work in return. The instructor enters grading parameters and receives a grade report. The student records system submits a class roster as input and receives a set of final grades in return. Now that we've reviewed the symbols, let's create our own context diagram. First, place a single process symbol in the center of the page. This symbol represents the entire system, so we identify it with the number 0. Next, place the 3 entities on the page and arrange them as needed. The boxes can be either shaded or unshaded. Now, with the entities in place, we're ready for the data flows. Let's start with the student data flows. Next, add the data flows for instructor. Finally, add the data flows for the student records system. Notice that this external entity is another information system. In large applications, a modular design makes the overall system easier to build and maintain. That's it! We're done with our diagram. Notice that there are no data stores shown on the context diagram. This is because data stores are internal components and are never shown on a top-level context diagram. Later, when we open up process 0, we'll probably see several data stores and maybe more processes too. As systems become more complex, the DFDs also get more complex. For example, here is a context diagram for an order system. The basic concept is the same, but a complex system has more entities and data flows. Notice that there is still only one process at the center of the diagram, process 0, which contains the order system itself. Also notice that external entities can have input data flows, output data flows, or both.